Hello dear Capricorn, welcome to my channel and this is your weekly reading for October 6th till the 12th. This is going to be your love and career. So let's see what the cards hold for you. Your cards are already out. In your love life, that means your personal life, in your career, you've got the 7 of stars and the 6 of suns. And in your personal life, you've got the 9 of moons and the hangman. Now, what I do see is you could be dealing with an Aquarius or Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, or Sagittarius also, or you could have these in your own birth chart. I do see that you are probably hoping for some good news or good offers coming your way, and yes, they will. I do see some sort of success and victory which will happen in your workplace, whether you have your own job, business, or you're preparing for an exam. You're going to be victorious in some way. You're going to win this war in some way. The challenges or the hard times or the hard work that you have done will be paid off. There are a lot of good messages and appreciation also coming your way, and probably better offers, more profits, right? And if you had applied for a job or promotion, that probably will be accepted. I also see you going back home victoriously, which means that after you win this whatever aim or goal you had, you probably are going back to your family. It could be that you were away from your family, like in a different city, state, country. You will be either calling your family over there or you are going back to them. I also see travel of some sort or family bonding time as well, where you are celebrating your success with your closed ones is also what I see. Very good cards to have in your career. So do comment and say I claim this reading so that you can manifest this faster for you. Love life is talking about some sort of a relationship which was highlighted, like which was the talk of the town, where two people were very much into each other or looked good together or used to, post a lot on social media or talk about it. But suddenly that thing ended for you, right? When you were getting a lot of attention and love, or if not love, definitely attention, a celebrity like status you had in a relationship, either this person was treating you like that or people were treating you like that because you were dating a particular person, right? I also see that maybe you were hoping that this will turn into a marriage, right? Where you both will be together forever. But unfortunately, that did not happen. This person betrayed your trust. They broke your trust, and obviously that hurt you. Now, this would have happened either recently or many, many months ago or years even, but you're still carrying on this hurt and this pain. So if you're already in this relationship or marriage and you really want to work with your partner, you want to continue with your partner, you don't want to break up or divorce that person, then you can just forget and forgive this person and move on from that hurt that you're carrying around the situation, around that lie, around that deceit, right? But if you think you cannot forgive this person, then you will have to move on. Just by blocking that person or breaking up or having a no contact situation is not really going to make you move on. You have to remove them mentally also, from your heart also, and decide to move on. Because I do see that a lot of you are stuck in the past, like you're looking in the past, but there is somebody who's just around the corner for you. The moment you decide to look forward into the future and move on, you will see that there's somebody around you who is very much into you, who wants to come to you, but your past stuck energy is blocking that person from coming to you. Okay, see, energies work, right? So if you're going to send them that energy that I'm not available, I'm stuck on that past person, then obviously nobody will take a step forward towards you, make that proposal, right? Or want to be with you. So make sure that you move on from this situation or this person so that you can attract that better relationship, better marriage, or better partner very, very soon. So it's a very good card. It all depends on you now, how you would like to play it. I would say comment and say I claim this reading so that it manifests faster. And yes, this was a general reading. If you have very specific questions regarding your life, then please book a personal reading with me. I take personal readings as well. No contact oracle love readings or mystic red rose love reading to see the past, present and future of your relationship. Apart from that, I do have career packages. I do have spiritual counseling sessions and also blockage removal rituals as well. So check out the description box, and if you would like to know any prices or if you would like to book any reading, you can email me at my personal email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com. I have a lot of services which are under 1000 rupees and there are some which are under 500 rupees as well. So check out all these options, and follow and DM me on my Instagram also if you would like to know the prices or book any reading. Please subscribe to this channel so that you can always see this reading on time. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.